Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something that's near and dear to my heart, bringing the outdoors in. I truly believe that plants breathe life into a space. They add a touch of warmth, a pop of color, and a sense of tranquility that you just can't replicate. Now I know what you might be thinking. Joanna, I can barely keep a cactus alive. Trust me, I've been there. That's why I've put together this list of my absolute favorite indoor plants. These beauties are practically foolproof, even if you don't have a green thumb. Whether you're looking for a statement piece to brighten up your living room, or a little something to add some life to your kitchen windowsill, I've got you covered. So, grab a glass of sweet tea and let's get started. This low-maintenance wonder is perfect for forgetful plant parents. These graceful beauties bring a touch of serenity to any room. Make a statement with this plant's large, glossy leaves. Low light, no problem. The ZZ plant can handle it all. These sculptural beauties are like living works of art. I'm talking about the fiddle leaf fig, with its broad leaves that complement any modern decor. Let these fast-growing beauties trail from shelves or climb trellises. Yes, the pothos is truly versatile in its placement and growth. Bring home the jungle with these iconic split-leaf wonders. From colorful to spiky, there's a dracaena for every style. Create a calming oasis with this fern's soft, cascading fronds. These easy care charmers bring a touch of love to your space. Brighten up any corner with these vibrant, low-light tolerant plants. Add a touch of elegance with this palm's graceful arching fronds. These charming plants are said to bring prosperity and joy. These air-purifying wonders are easy to propagate and share. Make a statement with this plant's iconic hole-filled leaves. This compact palm thrives in indoor environments, adding a touch of green. This feathery palm brings a touch of the tropics to bright interiors. Make a statement with this plant's dramatic flowers and bold foliage. These exotic beauties add a touch of sophistication with their stunning blooms. These unique plants can thrive without soil, adding a touch of whimsy. This plant can handle neglect, making it perfect for busy plant parents. This charming tree brings festive cheer year-round, not just for the holidays. Create a cascade of green with this plant's trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves. This succulent is known for its medicinal properties and easygoing nature. So there you have it, friends. My top picks for indoor plants that will bring life and beauty to your home. Remember, creating a green oasis is all about finding plants that speak to you and fit your lifestyle. Don't be afraid to experiment, have fun, and enjoy the process. There's nothing quite like the feeling of watching your plant babies thrive and knowing that you've created a little piece of nature within your own four walls. And who knows, maybe you'll even discover a hidden green thumb along the way. For more interesting videos, you can subscribe to us.